Hello everyone, today me Bhuvan Rajanawar and my friend Satvik Bushnot will be explaining to you COVID-19 rapid test analyzer.
Hello everyone, I am Satvik Bhusnor, guiding you through the app. This is the app. We can either select camera or select a file from the storage. We can either choose the camera or let's just select the file. Let me select this one. It asks us to crop the image. So it opens the crop page. You need to go here and just click on crop. And now when we click classify, it takes some seconds and it classifies it as positive. Now let's try another image, maybe this one. It asks us to crop. Let's crop it. Click crop. Click classify. It identifies as invalid with the confidence 93%. Now let's try this one. And now classify. It again shows the correct answer. Let's try with this one. Click crop. And classify. So it identified all the reports correctly. So this is how it works. Thank you.